Hebei Xinxiang Machinery Manufacture Company Limited was established in 1990. Located in Xinwan Town, Renze District, Xintai City, Hebei Province, the company covers an area of more than 10,000 square meters with over 60 employees, including 15 professional technicians. Our main products include various models of wire drawing machines such as straight line type wire drawing machine, wet type water tank type wire drawing machine, and poly type wire drawing machine, nail making machines, and complete sets of nail making auxiliary equipment, galvanizing and copper plating production lines, etc. The factory is equipped with more than 30 sets of first-class processing equipment such as CNC machining centers, CNC machine tools, large vertical lathes, and various welding equipment which can quickly meet customer procurement needs. As a manufacturer, we have a complete and mature after-sales service. Along with product delivery, we will arrange a professional technical team to assist customers in equipment installation, commissioning, and personnel training at the customer site. In the production of terminal products, from raw material cutting, processing, welding, assembly to finished product testing, and after-sales service, every process, every detail is tracked and guided throughout, strictly controlled to ensure product quality. In the development process of over 30 years, Hebei Xinxiang has always adhered to the business tenet of excellent quality, trustworthy price. With high-quality products developed with ingenuity and the advantage of different sales from the manufacturer, we have won unanimous praise from customers with customer-centric excellent service. Currently, Xinxiang machinery products have been widely used in large domestic enterprises such as Bagang Steel, Shougang Group, and Angang Steel, covering nearly 30 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions across the country. At the same time, it is exported to dozens of countries and regions in Europe, Central Asia, the Middle East, Africa, South Asia, Southeast Asia, South America. Every rotation of the machine witnesses our efforts and exploration, and every smile from the customer is our most precious wealth. Hebei Xinxiang Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited will continue to carry forward sincere enthusiasm, looking forward to working with you to create a better future for the international wire drawing industry.
河北兴祥机械期待与您的合作。